Stop trying to please people. The truth is, you'll never be good enough. Even at your best, they'll find something to pick on. That's the nature of man. So stop sacrificing your happiness for people who don't care much about you. Keep your heart attached to your Creator. Content. As you climb the ladder of life, make sure it's on solid ground. This represents your faith, integrity, and truth. Others will be jealous. Don't worry about them. The only ones you should be looking at are the ones who are going in the same direction. Lift them up as well. If you want ease in your life, don't make things difficult for others. Treat people the way you want to be treated. What you consider small gestures of kindness can go a long way to ease tensions and spread goodness. Always have the best manners. A trait of the people of paradise. If you want change, do it soonest possible. If you want to repent, do it now. Don't wait. We often tell ourselves, there's time to do it tomorrow. Don't let Satan trick you. Tomorrow is not promised to anyone. Waiting is not an option, so let us not delude ourselves any longer. No matter how complicated life gets, stay in your own lane. Don't get involved in other people's lives or their drama. They will try to get you on board and make you take sides. Don't. Let's face it, life's complicated enough. Focus and mind your own business. It's less stressful. It's alright to disagree with someone. You don't have to engage in an argument or get nasty about it. Politely decline to waste time arguing. You're entitled to your opinion, just like the other person. Remember, the wise would always hold their tongue and keep the peace. Quit worrying about the problematic people in your life. Troublesome ones, petty ones who are trying to hold you back and create unease. Let the Almighty take care of them. He knows how to move the wrong people out of your life and bring the right people in. Trust Him. Discipline your mind to focus on what truly matters. Let's face it, there's so much clutter in our minds because we all suffer from information overload. Focus on the issues and people who matter. Let go of things which are of no consequence. You'll enrich your life that way. If there are people in your life who treat you poorly and try to make you feel like you are less than enough, or that you need to prove your worth in some way, keep your distance from them. Spend time instead with people who lift you up. Keep your heart attached to your Maker. Pray for those who hide their sufferings from the rest of the world. They always have a smile for you and you end up thinking they're completely fine. These are the ones who spend their nights crying out to their Lord, begging for His mercy and relief from their trials. Respect.